Would you like to understand how famous artists created great images and use that understanding to experience the immense pleasure of creating your own beautiful photographs during your daily life? Before you step through this doorway that certainly changed my life, I'd like to introduce you to three concepts. The first of which is not all images have to be of eye-popping subjects. For example, a canyon during a sunset. Yes, it's likely that that subject is going to catch your attention. However, is it possible that more everyday subjects can be made beautiful? Using the composition skills I'm about to give you, you're going to be able to create beautiful images from everyday subjects. In fact, I actually prefer them because you're not relying on a pretty subject in order to carry the image. Also, you don't have to spend a lot of money and travel great distances in order to find outstanding subjects. They're all around you in your everyday world. It's just a question of how to compose them. Step number 2. Did you know that balance is a way to compose images?
If you make a drawing, a sketch on a page, you have to balance it. A little over here, a little there, a little there. And that's the way almost everything is. Art is. Like music, composition.
We seek order. And when you can balance one part of an image with another part of an image, you're creating a sense of order in which people can understand and enjoy your images. What? Well, I'm going to demonstrate that later. Step number 3 is the brightness weight illusion. This means that dark objects can sometimes appear heavier than bright objects. For example, if I had a white empty cardboard box and a black empty cardboard box, if I threw the white cardboard box toward you, your brain may anticipate before you caught the box that it was lighter in weight. If I then threw the black cardboard box toward you, your brain may then anticipate that the dark cardboard box is heavier in weight before you caught it. And that's the brightness weight illusion, that darker objects sometimes appear heavier. Balancing is really just a game of making one part of the image balance another part of the image based on what grabs your attention the most. You know, sometimes it might be that a brighter object is dominant, but most of the time it's darker objects that grab our attention most. That's probably more about cardboard boxes than you ever wanted to know. But what does any of that have to do with composing great images? Well, famous fine art painters, photographers, and architects who have put these concepts together of the brightness weight illusion and asymmetrical balance have created some of humanity's greatest artistic achievements. The idea is creating a mathematical ratio between a small dark area and counterbalancing that with a large bright area.